Come back to the Ashok educational groups. First year PUC biology reduced syllabus. 30% of the syllabus have been reduced for 2020-21 academic year. So we shall see reduced syllabus, retained and deleted. Retained one will come for the exam, deleted one won't come for this year examination. So we shall see unit wise in biology. First unit, diversity in the living world. 4 chapters are there. The living world, biological classification, plant kingdom, and in animal kingdom. So in this unit, in 4th chapter, deleted portions. Deleted one is in first chapter, the living world. Taxonomy, systematic tools for study of taxonomy, museum, zoological parks, herbaria, botanical gardens, keys for identification. In first chapter, this much is deleted. In chapter 3rd, plant kingdom. In plant kingdom, Agiosperma, agiosperms classification up to class, characteristics and features and examples. Unit 2nd, structural organization in plants and animals. 3 chapters are there. 5th, 6th, 7th, morphology of flowering plants, anatomy of flowering plants, structural organization in plants. So in unit 2nd, deleted portion is in 5th chapter, morphology of flowering plants, morphology and modifications, morphology of different parts of flowering plants, root, stem, leaf, fruit and seed, description of families, Fabaceous. In 6th chapter, anatomy of flowering plants, anatomy and functions of different tissues and tissue system in diocots, monocots, secondary growth. In 7th chapter, structural organization in animals, deleted is morphology, anatomy and functions of different systems, digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous and productive of an insect, cockroach, a brief account only, deleted one. In unit 3rd, cell, structure and functions, retained 3 chapters are there. Cell, the unit of life, biomolecules, 10th one, cell cycle and cell division. So deleted is nothing from this unit. Unit 4, plant physiology. 5 chapters are there. Transport in plants, mineral nutrition, photosynthesis in higher plants, respiration in plants. 15th one, plant growth and development. So deleted portions in this unit, 11th chapter, transport in plants. Deleted one is movements of water, gases and nutrients, cell to cell transport, diffusion, facilitated diffusion, active transport, plant water relation, imbibition, water potential, osmosis, plasmosis, a long distance transport of water, absorption, apoplast, symplast, transpiration pull, root pressure and guttation, transpiration, opening and closing of stomata, uptake and translocation of mineral nutrients, transport of food, phloem transport, mass flow, hypothesis. In 12th chapter, mineral nutrition, deleted is essential minerals, macro and micronutrients and their role, deficiency symptoms, mineral toxicity, elementary ideas of hydroponics as a method to study mineral nutrition, nitrogen metabolism, nitrogen cycle, biological nutrition fixation. In 15th chapter, plant growth and development. In this chapter, deleted one, seed germination, phases of plant growth and plant growth rate, conditions of growth, differentiation and redifferentiation, sequences of developmental process in a plant cell, seed dormancy and vernalization, photoperiodism. In Unit 5, Human Physiology, again 5 chapter there. 16th, Digestion and Absorption. 17th, Breathing and Exchange of Gases. 18th, Body Fluid and Circulation. 19th, Excretory Products and their Elimination. 20th one, Locomotion and Movement. So deleted portion in this unit is from first chapter, Digestion and Absorption. Deleted is elementary colonal and digestive glands, a role of digestive enzymes and gastrointestinal hormones, peristalsis, digestion, absorption and assimilation of proteins, carbohydrates and fats, calorific values of proteins, calorific values of proteins, carbohydrates and fats, digestion, nutritional and digestive disorder, PEM, digestion, constipation, vomiting, judaism, diarrhea. These two chapters are also there. Neural control and coordination, chemical coordination and integration. So from 20th chapter, locomotion movement, types of movement, ciliary, fragular, muscular, skeletal system and its function, joints, disorders of molecular and skeletal systems, myasthenia gravis, tetany, muscular dystrophy, arthritis, osteoporosis, gout. 21st chapter, neural control and coordination, reflex action, sensory perception, sense organs, elementary structure and functions of eye and ear. So deleted portions. Now we shall see practicals. 17 exercises are there, retained practicals. So retained will come for the exam. Exercise 1, to study parts of a compound microscope. Exercise 2, to identify and study the morphology of representative types of bacteria, fungi and different plant groups. Exercise 3, to study some selected animals on the basis of their external features. Exercise 4, preparation of temporary slides of animal tissues and their study. Exercise 5, study of mitosis. Exercise 6, preparation of herbarium sheets of flowering plants. 7th one, study of external morphology of animal through models. Exercise 8, study of emulsion in raisins or seed. Exercise 9, to study the distribution of stomata on the upper surface and the lower surface of leaves. 10th chapter, separation of plant pigments, chloroplast pigments by paper chromatography. Exercise 11, to study the rate of respiration in flower buds, germinating seeds. Exercise 12, observation and comment on the setup. Exercise 13, to study the enzymatic action of salivary amylase on starch. Exercise 14, to study the effect of temperature on the activity of salivary amylase. Exercise 15, to study the effect of pH on the action of salivary amylase. Exercise 16, to test the presence of sugar in the given sample of urine. Exercise 7, and the last, to detect the presence of albumin in the given sample of urine. So these retained experiments. So deleted practicals, 6 practicals are there, so which will not come for the exam. So this is about geology, reduced, retained and deleted portion. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more notifications.